lot of good foods out there that is beneficial to your body. But did you know that one of the best foods is oatmeal? It's so easy to prepare and is proven to be the best source of fiber and nutrients for your body. There are many ways to prepare this dish by incorporating fruits, super seeds, and honey. The recipes are endless to make it even more delicious. People often misunderstand that oatmeal is a breakfast meal, however, it could be eaten at any time of the day, especially for dinner. We have compiled 10 beneficial factors that you will benefit from including oatmeal into your food consumptions. 1. High in fiber. Having a good amount of fiber in your diet is important for weight loss and gut health, and thankfully, oatmeal is full of it. Oatmeal contains high soluble fiber that will attract fluid and stay in your stomach longer than other insoluble fibers found in vegetables. These soluble fibers are proven to reduce cholesterol by binding with digestive acids made from cholesterol and sending them out of your body. 2. Full of nutrients. Oatmeal also contains important vitamins and minerals such as magnesium, zinc, and iron, which help increase energy, reduce inflammation, and boost immunity. Plus, oatmeal is packed with protein 5 grams per half cup serving and is considered a 25% resistant starch, which means oats can improve your gut health through digestion. Nutrient-rich oatmeal contains thiamine, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, manganese, selenium, and iron. 3. Loaded with antioxidants. Oatmeal is loaded with antioxidants called avenanthramides, which are unique to oats. Antioxidants are important because they protect your cells from free radicals, which are molecules you produce through metabolism and exposure to environmental toxins. Free radicals increase your risk for cancer and heart disease because they are unstable. 4. Immune system response. Oatmeal has been heavily studied in relation to the immune system's response to disease and infection. Essentially, because of oatmeal's unique fiber called beta-glucan, it helps neutrophils travel to the site of an infection more quickly and enhances their ability to eliminate the bacteria they find there. 5. Gluten-free. Oats are naturally gluten-free, but check with manufacturers to ensure that their products are not made using the same equipment as other potentially contaminating grains. Always purchase gluten-free products from reputable companies and read food labels carefully. 6. Lower cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar. Oats contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber forms a viscous gel that helps to lower cholesterol and stabilize blood glucose levels. The insoluble fiber in oats helps provide a moving experience by curtailing constipation and improving intestinal health. 7. Protect your heart and colon. A variety of antioxidants known as avenanthramides are found exclusively in oats. Avenanthramides have been shown to exhibit anti-inflammatory and anti-itching activity, and may provide additional protection against coronary heart disease, colon cancer, and skin irritation. They also may play a role in controlling blood pressure. 8. Reduces blood pressure. We all know that heart disease is a major problem in North America and throughout the world. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a diet which includes plenty of whole grains such as oats or wholemeal bread is just as effective as taking antihypertensive medication to lower blood pressure. 9. Helps control weight. Let's face it, we could all use some help at times, but did you ever think oatmeal could help control your weight? It's true. According to many researchers, study published show a compound in oatmeal known as beta-glucan that reduces appetite by increasing the hunger-fighting hormone cholecystokinin. 10. Shields your skin. If you look closely on the labels of some of your lotions or face creams, you probably will see oatmeal in there. At some point in history, someone discovered how great oatmeal is for dry, itchy, irritated skin. The starchiness of oats creates a barrier that allows the skin to hold its moisture, while the rougher fibrous husk of the oat acts as a gentle exfoliant. Hope that the 10 factors have given you some understanding of oatmeal. When buying oatmeal, always check the ingredient list. No matter the type, there should only be one ingredient listed: whole grain oats. Be wary of flavored instant oatmeal, as it can pack added sugars, extra sodium, and artificial ingredients. Instead, opt for plain instant oatmeal and top with a variety of nutrient-packed, Sweet and savory toppings such as fresh berries, almond butter, Greek yogurt, sliced avocado, or a fried egg. Thank you for watching, and please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.